Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to explore a different AI chatbot, a new AI chatbot powered by a different AI model. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI chatbot with different research prompts. So let us see how it will generate content, whether it will be better than ChatGPT or Cloud AI. So we will check on and explore the content generated by that particular AI chatbot. Before that, we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and we are going to explore the different types of research prompts, especially ChatGPT prompts, and we are going to explore how to generate a better content with ChatGPT. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So this is a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. So in this workshop, you can explore the MATLAB environment and how to plot, how to make 2D and 3D plot in MATLAB. And we are going to explore different PA controller tuning methods and different toolbox in Simulink, that is a neural network toolbox, ANFIS toolbox, and how to use that toolbox to generate a better content for your application. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you want to learn more basics about MATLAB, so this is a better opportunity for you to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So learn more about MATLAB by using this opportunity. This is a exclusive workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. As EV charging station are evolution in nowadays, so there are many installation has been done in EV charging station. So this is a live MATLAB workshop where you can use your renewable energy source to power that EV charging station. So thereby you can get rid of using this fossil fuels. So this will be a live MATLAB workshop to model your PV and wind energy sources with different MPPT algorithms and connect it with your EV charging stations in MATLAB. So this opportunity will help you to model you easily EV charging station in MATLAB environment. So don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So if you are interested in EV charging station design, so this will be a better opportunity. So go on and check out our description box for the registration link. So see you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video. So this is a new AI chatbot with different database. This chatbot is X3AI. So it is powered by PALM2 model. So here you can ask anything. So it will generate a content for us. So we will explore one by one with our research prompts. So let us see how it will generate content, whether that content generated will be useful or not. So first we will explore with the prompt that generate an abstract for the paper titled Grid Connected PV System for EV Charging Station. So those who are watching our video regularly can have an idea why I often give the same kind of prompt, because we are going to explore different types of chatbots. So we will check out which one will generate a better content for this particular same prompt. As this prompt is a template, so generating abstract is a template and making literature review is a template. So you can explore the same template with different kind of chatbots. So thereby you can get different types of responses. From that you can get a better idea about how to craft a perfect abstract or perfect that is research article writing things easily. So here I have given that generate an abstract for the paper title Grid Connected PV System for EV Charging Station in about 200 words. So this is the input prompt I am going to give. So after that you can click on generate response. So let us see how it will generate response. So here you can get the generated response here. So let us wait. So it will take several seconds to generate. So here you can see our content is generated. So in this you can see In this paper, we propose a grid connected PV system for EV charging station. The system consists of a PV array, an inverter, battery storage system, and EV charger. The PV generate electricity that converted into AC power by an inverter. Yes, the generated content will be very better one. So this is a new model. It's not powered by any of the ChatGPT or cloud model. So here it's a PALM2 model. So this will generate a better content. So let us explore with some other prompt. So generate and thesis outline for the research. That is, I am going to give paper title grid connected PV system for EV charging station. So this is the second prompt I am going to give. So I am going to ask for a thesis outline. So let us see how it will generate a content for us. So here you can see, so it has given introduction only. So here you can see that, so introduction, electric vehicles are become popular. So like that it has given. In literature review, number of studies have been investigated. So like that it will generate a crisp literature review. In this methodology it will generate the content. In results it has generated the content. In conclusion it has generated next recommendation. So like that it won't generate the thesis outline, but it will generate a smaller thesis, that is a mini thesis for us. So it has to be trained properly still. So let us explore with some other prompt. So in order to do so, I am going to take a random paper, that is I am going to take a random reference paper. So here I am going to open an open access paper. So in this paper, for example, say I am going to take this paper, overview of energy systems in Africa, a comprehensive review. So in this I am going to copy and paste the first 5 references. So copy the first 5 references and paste here. From the above references, make a literature review by providing main findings of each paper and cite them properly with paragraph. So like that. So like that you can give, that is in this we have given 5 different references. So from that we have asked for a literature review. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see the response is generated. Waheed ETAL is conducted a survey of economic growth, energy consumption and carbon emission. They found that there is a strong positive correlation between economic growth and energy consumption. So after that you can see this is the second reference above C. So with the proper citation it has generated a content, conducted a comprehensive overview. So again you can see in this third one it's a World Economic Forum. Next to fourth one, this is Borgen. Then fifth one, here you can see this is the fifth one. So like that it will generate a better literature review only. So you can make use of this option to generate a better literature review also. So let us explore with some other prompts. So in this what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste a table. So let us see whether the table will be converted into a, that is the table will be converted into a paragraph or not. Let us explore with this chatbot. In order to explore this, I am going to copy this table. So I have copied this table. So in this table you can paste this table and you can ask for convert the, or you can give summarize the above table. So like that you can give. So let us see whether this chatbot will summarize or not. So as far as literature review writing concerned, it will generate a better literature review. We have to check out with our own that is papers, thereby it will we will get an idea about how it will works out. So here you can see SISO stands for single input single output. Yes, it has generated a common content only. It does not pinpointed any values here. So it has to be trained better in this extent, that is in order to convert that table into paragraph. So as far as we have used 4 different that is research prompts, in that it has generated better abstract and better literature review, but it failed to generate content about that thesis outline and also this table to text conversion. So you can go on and explore this X3AI, a new model. So it has different databases. So thereby you can get a unique content for your research paper writing. So make use of this option to generate a better content for your research paper writing. So hope this video will bring an aware about this X3AI. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.